Hi. So Uku is now integrated with FreeAgent, and I will show you right now how you can set up the connection. So let's move to the settings and apps, scroll down to the integrations and choose the FreeAgent app. You can activate the app, and then when it's activated, you can move to the import tab and click on connect to FreeAgent. Then you are redirected to the FreeAgent login page where you enter your credentials and log in. You will choose your practice dashboard, which you want to connect with, and you will approve the access for Uku, that Uku may get access to the data in FreeAgent. After we have approved the access, we are navigated back to Uku, where we can click on Start Import. And Start Import will fetch the clients from FreeAgent that you have access to. Here you can decide which of these clients you want to import or don't want to import. You can say to only import new clients, or you can also say if you want to update the data from company register or not. Let's confirm my selection here. And when the import is ready, Uku notifies you and redirects you to see the clients that have been imported. And you can see here in the clients list in the integration column that the connection to FreeAgent is established. And then I can again click on the clients to list to see all my clients. So this is how you set up the integration with FreeAgent to import and update your company, your clients' data. And if you want to update clients' data also from FreeAgent, then you can just run the import again and choose which clients you want to update or not.